Hey fams, Zombie here. We're coming back at it again with another video with the Camry. Today we're over just at my place. We're going to be doing some window wiper replacements. As you can see, the window wipers here have split and quite bad. So we're going to do a nice and easy replacement of the window wiper blades. The actual parts themselves of the actual stems are all fine, so they don't need to be replaced. It's just the blades, as the car was sitting for a while, got a little bit of moss and stuff on it, and it's just eaten away at the plastic. Replacing window wiper blades is a very simple task. All you want to do is find out which end they come from, which is down here, and you should be able to pull the window wiper blades down. Alright, and down and out. Alright, it's got to be, yeah. See, the thing is that these ones are split quite a lot. What I'm going to do, going to set you down over here while I come in here. Should be. There's a little pin at the bottom. These ones aren't really wanting to. There we go. They weren't wanting to at the start, as they were so just falling apart. Look, it's just literally just falling apart at the seams. It's literally in pieces now, and that's the reason why they need replacing. So this rubbish. And we're gonna come over here and do the same here. Same again, doesn't really want to pinch, or unpinch I should say. There we go. This one was actually a little bit easier. Over, boom, just like that. And now we've got this one. What we want to do, you grab this and your snips, because these are universal, so they are longer than. We want to keep that back, see that? That back is what we need. So we're just going to peel that off, like that. Lay that down here. So how long are these? How long are we? So the chakra at 0. Just roughly about there. Oh, they're pretty much the 600s. So they are pretty much the same size, with just a little 10 snipped off at the end. So now, that there is the part that needs to snip in, so that's the part you don't want to snip. So these, let's get a side-by-side shot. Out with the old, in with the new. Get that funny shot in there. Difference. Split down the bottom. Alright. Shotty. Look after your vehicle, look after it. Oh, look at that. Boom. They're actually the right size. So they should actually go straight in with no snipping needed. Alright. See it again. Just gonna set you down there and see if we can so one thing, I don't have a tripod yet. I will be investing in. So, yep, this is the one annoyance with trying to do this. That's right, caught my phone. That could have been bad, but what we'll do is I'll just do it by hand. So we don't want to snap that down on there. We're going to go from the bottom down here and just not like that, because that's how you damage your windscreen. See, it is just sort of guided it in. Yeah, 2 hands is needed for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go like this. So we're slipping one there, slipping it on there, slipping it on there, and going right up to the end. I'm sorry about that. I have paused the video, so now we're going to have to go downgrade to 1080p because I'm an idiot. So I've got it all started up there, just pushing it in, and you just clip it in there, and it's all clipped in. Look at that. Nice, new wiper blade. Like that. Now for the next one. Yeah, it's the one thing I was trying not to do. So you just take off these little black clips. Was pause the video, as I don't have editing software to edit it in 4K. I just don't have the money to pay for that at the moment. At the moment, spending the money on the cars is there what need it. Civic is a work in progress. At the moment, the daily driver is the one that's getting the love and attention. Oh, that is not good. So what I've just done there is the metal bar is just popped out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to push this one back in. Alright, push it right back in like that. And now, okay. Let's try this again. I will have to get a tripod, as I don't want to break my phone. You see that? The little slot goes in there. Bada bing, bada boom. Slide it in. Same again on this side. Hold it, you just hold it together like that. Slide it in. And it should just slide together just like that. Alright. Like that. Come back. Slot it in like that. body right in. Feeds. Feeds just quite nicely up. Just roll her up. That's the one. Feed it up, push it through all the brackets. Make sure it slides where it should be. Make sure all the clips are holding her in. And down here, so this is where it is. So this side's shorter. Now that's clipped in there. See this? It needs to be snipped. So what I'm going to do is I've got my snips out, just make sure this one is okay. I think it's fine. What I'm going to do is I've got these snips right here. So we're going to come back, money shot. Come back. This is not really the best way of doing this. This is why I need a tripod. I figured out how I'm accidentally pressing the button. I accidentally pressed the power button and that stops the video. I really need to get a tripod. That's maybe the next thing that I'm working on. Oh, this metal is quite hard to cut. I'll cut one at a time then. The metal they've used is not normally what I thought they would use. Got one. Just sort of. This means just fucking come right off. Yep. This is the parts they don't show you. Just like that. See, got one off properly. Haven't got the other off properly yet. But that is a squeeze. Alright, that was definitely a hell of a lot harder than it had to be. Alright, if I had known that, I would have probably chopped that one. I was meaning to chop them down, but I thought that they were going to be the same size. But no. Did not check both of them. The rookie mistake, make sure you guys check both of them now that I did that. But geez, you can see how much I gnawed on that thing. To be honest, maybe I need some new pliers. Seem like they are pretty damn blunt. Alright, now with that should be the window wipers replaced. So what we're going, one thing about living on a roundabout is the place is so freaking noisy. So much noise. Let's test these girls. I'm hoping that my jaggedness of the other ones hasn't wiped out the other side. Alright, I'll spray some water on. And look at that. No flakiness. Clean as a whistle. Oh, that's so good. Since I was driving home the other night and it frickin' broke. Next thing you know, got no wiper blades in the frickin' rain. Yeah, ain't that dull. Alright, that'll be all today. Well, very matchy one. I'm gonna get a tripod. I'm gonna do a lot of things. It's a very much work in progress. I've got to pay for an editing software so I can edit in 4K. Otherwise, at the moment, it's only 1080p. The old Civic Girl is sitting there collecting dust. But money, 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 money. I'm all saving up, working on it. And we're getting there, fam. So, with that saying that, I hope you've all had a great day. I hope you followed along. Nice and simple. It was actually a little bit messy today, I'll be honest. I hope you've all had a great day. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. So I'll see you all later. Signing out.